Question: what is a bearing? A bearing is a machine element that allows constrained relative motion between two or more parts, typically rotation or linear movement. Its primary function is to reduce friction between moving parts, support loads, and enhance mechanical efficiency. Question: what are the different types of bearings? The main types of bearings include ball bearings, roller bearings, needle bearings, thrust bearings, plain bearings, bushings. Question: what is the difference between ball bearings and roller bearings? Ball bearings use balls as rolling elements and are designed to handle small to medium loads with high rotational speeds. Roller bearings, on the other hand, use cylindrical, spherical, or tapered rollers, which provide more contact area and can handle higher loads but usually at lower speeds.